Welcome to Japanese grocery haul. We are a family of 4 living in Tokyo, Japan, and I'm going to show you what I got under $50, including soy products, fermented products, spring seasonal vegetable, along with how to cook and eat them. Natto, which is a fermented soybeans. You have seen me eating natto many times in what I eat in the day video, so you know I love natto. And it's not only me, my kids also love it so much. I usually buy 6 packs of natto every week. If you go to the supermarket in Japan, there are at least more than 20 different kinds of natto. Let me open this to explain furthermore. I got 2 different types of natto. One is hikiwari natto and the other one is kotsubu natto. The first one is hikiwari natto. The natto is crushed into tiny little pieces, and in my opinion, it's more sticky and smelly. So if you're a beginner in the world of natto, I recommend not to buy this kind. The next one is a kotsubu natto, which is the most popular kind. Natto comes with the sauce and mustard, and each brand has their own taste of sauce. Just a heads up, if you're plant-based, this sauce usually contains fish stock. If that's the case, I recommend to swap for soy sauce. I love to drizzle some oil or mix with kimchi and spinach. If you're curious how I eat, please watch what I eat in the day video. My family prefer this kotsubu natto over the hikiwari natto. If you don't like natto but want to incorporate it into your diet, good news! I have another video coming up showing how to cook natto, making it less stinky and sticky and delicious, of course. So don't forget to subscribe. Soy products. I got 3 kinds of tofu for this week. Firm tofu, silken tofu, and fried tofu called atsuage in Japanese. Just a side note, we don't usually have extra firm tofu in Japan, so you may find firm tofu pretty soft. For fried tofu, I use it for stir fry and Japanese stew dishes since it holds the shape very well. And I have a couple recipes video using these fried tofu, so put the link for you in the description box. For firm tofu and silken tofu, I have been cooking these two in so many ways. I use it for fried tofu with tangy ginger, delicious dressing, and for vegan mayo, which I always have in my fridge. Of course, I put it into the miso soup. When it comes to plant-based alternatives like mock meat and vegan cheese, Japan is so slow in the movement. I don't have many options, but luckily we have a variety of soy products. I can't live without these soy products. I do grocery shopping mainly on the weekend at wholesale market. Whenever I need to buy extra towards the end of the week, I go shopping to buy some small things. In a way, I can track myself how much I got. How often do you guys do grocery shopping each week? And this one is a cooked soybeans, comes in $1. Next one, spring vegetable. If you closely look at the package, you will find this Japanese kanji, shin, means new in English. These vegetables are just harvested and they usually have a very thin skin, high water content, and very sweet, perfect for the salad. For example, onion is usually on the store after going through the process of drying due to the preservation purpose. However, this new onion will be on the shelf right after it's harvested. So it's moist, sweet, and crunchy. I can't tell you enough, but they are so tasty. If you are living in Japan, definitely buy one with shin on the package. It's only available in spring. For the mushroom, I got the shimeji mushroom, enoki mushroom, and Nameko. Nameko is very slimy. Japanese love to enjoy it in the miso soup and for the topping on the noodles. I can't explain the texture well. If you guys have a better explanation, please leave it in the comment below so that people can kind of like imagine it better. Moving on, green veggies. I got this tofu. I define this tofu as the most cost-effective green veggies in Japan. You cut off the green part and put the rest in water, which is the bottom white part with the seeds. It will grow again. So I put this under the sun and change the water every day, and you can continue to enjoy it. It's only $1 for this portion, so you can see what I mean as a budget friendly. And I got Mizuna. You can both enjoy it as raw and cooked. My family ate as a salad with the vinegar, soy sauce, and lemon juice last night along with Japanese curry. It's crunchy and very refreshing. I got this turnip for $4. And burdock. I just love this so much, not only for earthy flavor but also its great source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Usually add into the miso soup or kimpirago bowl, which is I showed it so many times on this channel. We also have a new burdock, which again only available in spring. So if you find one, go ahead and grab one. Speaking of life in Tokyo, if you are living in central Tokyo, you will have a couple supermarkets available within walking distance. I only buy the amount I'm capable of carrying it in my hand because I don't own the car. Apple for $3 and kiwi for $4. Fruits are usually very expensive in Japan. The next one is a condiment, salted rice mold known as shiokoji in Japanese. I made a homemade version last week and it's on the process of fermentation now. I'm supposed to mix it every day, so I feel like taking care of baby. I know I'm crazy, and I'll show you how to make it in the future video if it's interesting to you guys. It's probiotic, so good for your gut health. And I personally believe that if you swap salt for the salted rice mold, you can bring everything to the next level. So this is something I want you guys to incorporate it into your cooking more. I got this chicken mince for about $5, and these plant-based milk, I prefer these with no additives and no sugar one. I'm thinking to make this grocery haul into a little bit of a series. If that's what you guys want, please make sure to leave the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye, mata ne!